Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So, welcome back, devotees. We will be going to discuss on the 29th verse of the 14th chapter of 5th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. बहुत दिन हो गए मुझे पता है, but still I am trying my best to become more and more sincere on glorifying the Bhagavatam. So, without wasting any time, we will see what the verse says, or we can say in short, what the Srila Shukdev Goswami say. He says, sorry, कदाचिद् ईश्वरस्य भगवतो विष्णोश्चक्रात् परमान्व आदिद्वि पराधापवर्ग कालोपलक्षणात् परिवर्तितेन वयसारंहसा हरत आब्रह्म तृणस्तंभादीनं भूतानाम् अनिमिषतो मिषतां वित्रसत वित्रस्त हृदयस्थम् एवेश्वरं कालचक्रनिजायुधं साक्षात् भगवन्तं यज्ञपुरुषं अनादृत्य पाखण्डदेवतः कङ्कगृधभकवत प्राय आर्य समयपरिहृतः साङ्केत साङ्केत्येनाभिधत्ते. So very long verse. So we'll be seeing the translation given by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So translation is also very big. Yes, the verse is big. So here Srila Shukdev Goswami says, the personal weapon used by Lord Krishna, the disc is called Hari Chakra or Sudarshan Chakra, the disc of Hari. This chakra is the wheel of time. It expands from the beginning of the atoms up to the time of Brahma's death. So, because in spiritual world the time is transcendental. Because in this material world the time has its past, it has right now present, which I am talking right now, and it has future. But in spiritual life, or you can say in spiritual realm where Lord Himself resides, there is these characteristics of time is not present. Their time is also transcendental. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that Kalosmi, I am the time. So he works, or we can say Krishna, he shows himself as a time in a different way in this material world, and he himself shows time in the spiritual world in a different way. There is no past, there is no present, there is no future in spiritual realm. There is only eternal bliss, eternity. So yes, अभी हम भौतिक जगत में ये सब कुछ देख रहे हैं. We are from infinite lifetimes, we are right now identifying ourselves with these bodies. So अभी ये सब समझना हमारे दिमाग से परे है. But still, because the shastras has given, we have to accept it as it is. uh, if there is question, it must be asked to a bona fide guru, and it controls all activities. Yes, it is always revolving and spending the lives of living entities from Lord Brahma down to an insignificant blade of grass. So we are not realizing, but still we are right now degrading. Every day we are degrading as the time passes. The most valuable thing in our life, which is time, which cannot be even bought by giving or selling thousands and crores of diamonds worth of, you cannot buy 1 second. So that is the thing. We must use our time without any fallacy, or you can say without any distribution of time in any material activities. Even if there is some material activity, material duties, there you have to perform it for the pleasure of Krishna and offer the fruits, or you can say the activity and the fruits both to the lotus feet of Krishna. That's how we convert the material activities into spiritual activities. So that is the thing. And in this way, in acting in Krishna consciousness every second, in that way only we can transcend the material time, and gradually as Krishna desires, we can enter spiritual time. Thus, one changes from infancy. जब हम इन्फेंट बोलते हैं, जब 2 से 3 महीने का जब बालक होता है उसको इन्फेंट बोलते हैं. इन्फेंटी infancy to childhood to youth to maturity, and thus one approaches the end of life. It is impossible to check this wheel of time. Check means cancel. अभी मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं समय रोक दूँ, रुक जाएगा समय नहीं. समय, time is passing by as it desires, as the Lord desires. This will is very exacting because it is the personal weapon of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So exacting, which can say we can search in the web. Make great demands on one's skill, attention, or other resources. So yes, because it is personal. The time, or we can say the Sudarshan Chakra, the Lord is holding. It is the personal weapon of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So as the disc of the Lord is compared to the time, as it is time itself also. So it is exacting, which we can translate it as a very demanding. Sometimes, here Shukdev Goswami continues, sometimes the conditioned soul, fearing the approach of death, wants to worship someone who can save him from imminent danger. Yes, अभी हम यही देख रहे हैं कि धन आए, सुख आए, शांति आए, उसके लिए लोग कोई भी देवी देवता की पूजा करते हैं. और भगवान कृष्णा की तो पूजा नहीं करेगी, बिकॉज एवरी वन नोज दैट एक बार ये टेढ़ी चीज़ हमारे बॉटल में आ जाए, हृदय के बॉटल में, तो ये बाहर निकलती नहीं है. और पर्सन हैज़ टू सफ़र मैनी मैनी ट्रिब्यूलेशंस, but that tribulation he suffers in bliss of Krishna consciousness, because it is given by Krishna himself in the life of devotees. Because everyone, अभी जो भी भक्ति कर रहा है और भक्ति के पथ में, और we can say anyone who is trying to apply the 6 limbs of Sharanagati, which is accepting those things favorable to devotion, rejecting the unfavorable things, anukulesa sankalpam pratikulesa varjanam, conviction that Krishna will give protection, acceptance of Lord as one's guardian master, full surrender of self and humility. If someone is even even one thing, or not even one thing, even if someone is trying to accept or trying to apply these realms of devotional shanagati to Lord in his life, then the Lord himself takes charge of that person as he advances in devotional life. So जितना प्रकार का उसका शरणागति रहेगा, उतना ही भगवान उसके जीवन में हस्ताक्षेप करेंगे. बट थिंग इज दैट आपको चाहिए, अगर चाहिए आपको दैट कृष्णा इतना पूरा हस्ताक्षेप करे अपना आपके जीवन में, देन यू हैव टू 100% सरेंडर ऑन टू द लोटस सीट ऑफ कृष्णा. दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. Yes, so we were in demigod worship, that people worship many demigods. We it may get them some material benefits for some temporary time, but still, because they are not realized that it is all everything temporary, because we have to leave this body one day, but still we don't understand. हमको 1-2 साल और जीना है, भले ही हम 80 साल के क्यों ना हो गए हो. Yet he does not care for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, whose weapon is indefatigable time factor. So it is indefatigable. The conditioned soul instead takes shelter of a man made God described in unauthorized scriptures. So, conditioned soul takes shelter of a man made God. उतना उतना बुद्धिहीन हो चुका है एक इंसान. There are many facts, because I am not having very great channel देखा जाए तो. So I can take names and criticize नहीं, make aware, like यहाँ पे my mother and my dadi ma comes from a South Indian background. So South Indians are very much attached. I don't know why. Shirdi Sai Baba, पता नहीं. It is Sai Baba, Sai Ram, Sai Krishna, he's compared with Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead. But where is in all the Upanishads, in all Vedas, in all Puranas, where there is no description of Sai Baba, there is no description of Swami Narayan, there is no description of एनी मैन मेड गॉड वी कैन से राम कृष्ण परम हम सभी उसको भगवान बना के चल रहे हैं पीपल दैट ही इज माई गॉड बट देर इज नो इवन वन सिंगल page or even one single letter or in one single word in shastras considering them as god because every word every letter of shastra चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलते हैं डमरू ढोल बजा बजा के बोलते हैं कृष्णा इज द सुप्रीम पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ गॉड बट स्टिल वी डोंट एक्सेप्ट इट बिकॉज वी हैव आवर ईगो such gods are like buzzards, vultures, herons and crows. इतना देखो मैंने बोला है that they are not good but I don't speak very bad मतलब उनके बारे में कुछ गलत नहीं बोल रहा हूँ but here Shashukdev Goswami is straight for uncutting. They are like buzzards, vultures, herons, crows. Vedic scriptures do not refer to them. Imminent death is like attack of lion, and neither vultures, buzzards, crows, or herons can save one from such an attack. Yes, attack. One who takes shelter of unauthorized man-made gods cannot be saved from the clutches of death. So here Shukdev Goswami says, or all the shastras of Sanatan Dharma, or we can say all the shastras, all Apaurusha, all the things, all the shastras given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead says that Supreme Personality of Godhead is Krishna, Hari, Lord Vishnu. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So we must accept it. भाई तो मुझे भी नहीं पता वी हैव सो मैनी अभी देखा जाए तो ये मैन मेड गॉड की पूजा करने से अच्छा एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा अच्छा बोल सकते हैं दैट पर्सन हु इज राइट नाउ वर्शिपिंग डेमी गॉड्स बिकॉज वो भी धीरे धीरे आके भगवान की सेवा में ही लगने वाला है बट द मैन मेड गॉड्स लाइक ये अभी मैं जो एग्जांपल दिया उनकी गति क्या होगी मैं वही सोचता हूँ कभी कभी दैट वेयर विच लोग देखो कृष्णा सेज दैट भगवद गीता दैट द वर्शिपर्स ऑफ डेमी गॉड विल गो टू डेमी गॉड उनके इंद्र लोग या जो भी लोग जो डेमी गॉड का है वो द वर्शिपर्स ऑफ भूत विल गो उनके भूत के लोक में जो वर्शिपर्स ऑफ एंड द वर्शिपर्स ऑफ कृष्णा विल गो टू कृष्णा हिमसेल्फ विच इज गोलोक वृंदावन बट स्टिल we can see that where will the man-made god worshippers would go. So here Shri Goswami is giving very much great or we can say very good advice for everyone in the path of spirituality to not to worship any man-made god because the time factor is killing us every second. So every second must be utilized in worshipping or serving the supreme personality of Godhead Krishna. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So we'll be covering the purport given by Srila Prabhupada in the next video. Hare Krishna.